Welcome guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we are on the road. So we are heading to Burger King. So we are in Portmore City with a big body. So that's my sister and my two nieces. We look for them and the mango, the whole heap of mango them and then waste on the ground. Jesus is mine. Okay. And that's a health and wellness bus driving around to do some COVID tests. So now we're heading to Burger King. My niece is going to buy me burger. Oh, I am getting good treatment here in Jamaica. So she going buy Auntie Family King deal. Lord of mercy, me like it. So we're entering into Jamaican cave. Look guys, 1, 2, 3, 4 burger for $3,200. Hey, hefty. Remember to wear your mask, please. Corona is still keeping. Jesus. Alright. I say you want burger?
So guys, we are in Burger King ordering us some American chicken sandwiches. Ordering our sandwiches.
Ready?
Yeah.
With a pause. You the burger. Hallelujah. We're walking in Portmore. We are at Destiny Mall. So we're heading to we're heading to Mega Mart. What? Oh, expensive. We are at Mega Marts. one cup of orange juice.
We have the coach business. Oh, auntie, so we promotion something there. The crest on the other side.
This.
1,111.
On this. But like basically same thing. The same thing. Roasted and brown coffee. Yeah, but at the same thing. Yeah, but it's basically the same thing. So what the difference? It's like come on that side out here. You try it, okay? Because the Ventolin will vent. And you don't look that. You can see it. I mean, no way feel like if somebody help me to buy my asthma pump.
I'm so demanded for.
Somebody else.
I just see how
Honestly, because somebody, when me to stay here in Jamaica, I know all the consequences in my asthma. I'm going to make sure that I have everything one of my problems. When we see my well, I'm going to literally feel like I'm me. Because me have asthma, so I know the feeling. I know the
The next one, the job low, madam.
I know the feeling. So if you see somebody, and at any given moment in time losing life, I mean, I don't want to come to play with. Me nearly take out one of my pumpkins. Me nearly take out one of my pumpkins, but I remember saying,
Being a third job lover, keep it now.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Johnny, look catch that.
Murder! If you don't get it by the pack, just buy it. Buy it single like that. Mm-hmm.
Then we get to buy pop money for meat. Meat.
That's why you cut it up? Read no love?
Snoop? Hey, this nice with orange juice.
I've had that.
You have it? It's
I've
nice with
had
orange
it.
juice. One of my friends named Richard.
Daddy bought it.
Friend, Richard, him mix it with orange juice. Girl, it's bad.
Citrus and rum?
It's nice.
Yeah, people
Very
eat
good.
it. It name them call it pina colada banana when we do it.
Very good, nice. But I'm not telling you guys to go and drink.
I drink.
Drink responsible, please. Oh my God.
The rockers. It's them tonight.
Hey. Yes, Lord. Look how much one syrup in Jamaica. That is like
JCT and it.
That's like $10,000 something. I mean, I like that. Sorry. And this is my favorite wine. So when I'm chilling at home,
Don't like wine.
I have a glass of baked wine, sweet red bit. It's nice, guys. Sweet red blend, and this nice mixed sauce.
Yeah, that's the only way me that probably
And yeah, like when you
drink
do like
wine.
fish
Taste any type of wine
in the sauce.
if them use it in the sauce.
So
As I
when
don't
you
like, I
fish,
don't
you
drink.
use white wine. When you and me use red wine, so me not have no white wine. But when I use do like beef or any little thing, like I'll make
What have the color
the meat
like the
ball.
meat.
Put a little red wine and I should keep a little. All right, let's go. Let's dig it with it.